One of the hurdles in education is the ability to get information that's useful to them at the point where they're learning and is at an accessible price range. One of the strengths of Expii is that we're free, and all you need is access to the internet or access to mobile data, and you can get any of our lessons for math and science. We all have our own ways of processing information. We see things, we hear things, taste, smell, we've got a rhythm within us. And there are ways that we're naturally inclined to understand our world. We've got lots of different ways that we access people's learning and understanding. Each time a student lands on a topic that they want to learn, they'll find multiple explanations given. Each of these explanations address that topic from a different angle. Maybe it's visually, maybe it's linguistically, maybe we're talking about your body in space. But we're confident that the way that you understand the world is represented in our explanations. Because we have so many different lessons and problems to address different learning styles, we've actually amassed over 25,000 lessons and problems that students can access. We want students to feel that they are empowered and confident in what they're studying. We like to think of ourselves as sort of a tutor. So while we can't have individual conversations with any given student, we can provide the information that they can see as useful for themselves.
Expii. Choose how you learn.